Vanakkam, Namaskar from Janu. Welcome to SB Cosmo Good Food. Here we can see vegetarian and vegan recipes. In this video, we are going to see how to cook banana flour dal curry. In Tamil, we say Vazhaippoo Kootu. A healthy and rich in fiber dish that goes very well with steamed rice, chapati, roti or naan. Let's see the ingredients for this recipe. 1 medium banana flour, tur dal 60 grams or half cup, small onions 6 to 8, garlic optional 6 to 8 cloves, tomato 1 large, sambar powder 2 tablespoons, oil 2 teaspoons, mustard seeds 1.5 teaspoons, curry leaves 8 to 10 leaves, turmeric powder half teaspoon, asafoetida, that is perungayam in Tamil, half a teaspoon. Let's see how to remove the florets from the flower. Remove the large petal one at a time. Once you remove the first petal, you will see the florets. Take those florets and keep aside. Repeat the same process till you can see the banana heart, which is nothing, the white part of banana flower where you can take the petals out. Repeat the same process till you can see the banana heart, which is nothing, the white part of banana flower where you can't take the petals out. Now, take each floret to discard 2 parts. One is tepal, that is the outer papery cover, and the other is style, that is a long sticky structure with a bulb-like top. They are removed as they are not digestible and also makes the dish bitter if added. Keep repeating until all florets are clean of tepal and style. When the florets are too small enough to remove the tepal and style, it's fine to put them full as they are very tender and do not have bitter taste. Let's see benefits of banana flour. Cooked banana flowers can help deal with abdomen pain and reduces the menstrual bleeding. It increases the breast milk secretion for the lactating mothers. Banana flour extracts promoted glucose uptake, which in turn reduces blood sugar levels. They act as natural antidepressants. Wash these florets 3 to 4 times. Now, fill water in a bowl and add 2 tablespoons plain yogurt or curd and mix well with no lumps. You can even add buttermilk instead of curd or yogurt. Time for chopping. Take a handful of florets and chop finely and immediately add to the yogurt water or buttermilk. By doing this, it keeps the florets in same color as they turn dark once chopped. Do the same till you finally chop all florets. When chopping the banana heart, cut it into halves and finely chop as shown. You can soak it in yogurt water for half an hour, then cook or can store in fridge overnight for next day use. Now let's see the cooking process. Chop the onions and garlic into half and finely chop the tomatoes. Separately, pressure cook tur dal by adding approximately 320 ml water and wait for 8 to 10 whistles. Once it's cooked, add turmeric powder, asafoetida, mash it and keep aside. Now, heat the pan with oil. Add mustard seeds. Wait for it to pop. Then add curry leaves if you have got. Give a toss. Now, add the onions and saute for a couple of minutes. Then add garlic and fry for a couple of minutes, tossing in between. It's time to add the tomatoes and cook till the tomatoes are soft. Add the sambar powder and mix well. Now you need to add the chopped florets. Filter it well before you add it. Now give a stir. Add the mashed dal and salt. Add water to your consistency for the curry. Mix well. Close the lid and leave for 15 minutes or until the vegetables are cooked. Now the curry is ready. You can serve this with steamed rice or as a side dish as well. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and press bell button so that you won't miss our next videos. Bye from Janu.